coming. They coming, bro.
Uh-oh.
They coming.
Uh-oh. Wrong lane.
Bitch cut off, gang. You hear me? Bitch cut off.
The car cut off? What is up, YouTube? Tube. Face we looking at supercars going against the police. Now I'm expecting to see someone get away. I just want to see one win today. We did 2 videos. We're going for number 3. Someone has to get away from police, all right? We weren't reacting to fast cars. If you haven't seen my last video, it'll be in the description. However, someone has to get away from a fast car. Someone has to get away from the police, like, you know what I'm saying? Somebody got to get away. Everybody can't be a failure at life, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. Oh shit, we are getting the TrackHawk POV. We are getting the TrackHawk POV. This is way different.
Just go though. Go straight, bro. Go straight. It do take go straight. I got the GPS on.
This is totally different. We getting the POV of the suspect, of the criminal.
I need to break this light, bro. I said that.
This is like GTA.
Nigga, I'm jumping out this bitch. It ain't. That shit was just connected, nigga.
Bro, this shit sound like Franklin on GTA, bro. Like, these boys out here scheming to do something bad, bro. They ain't up to no good, cuz. Hopefully they get it, bro.
I ain't tripping, bro. I just need to get some gas in this bitch. I'm so nervous right now. Huh? Yeah, that bitch was loud.
It's the fact that they're together, but I guess they stole the TrackHawk.
Type of shit.
Cause that's what it kind of sounds like with that conversation that's going on. I'm assuming they stole the TrackHawk.
Man. Boy, this shit look extra. It look extra hot with the both windows fucked up.
Hell yeah, it look hot with both windows messed up. They popped both windows, bro.
No, I ain't even turning on track mode yet, bro. I'm trying to get some gas in this bitch. Bro, how the fuck we gonna get some gas then, bro?
Yo, cause cause the thing about it, bro. Every time I'm thinking about this, it's like the criminals being like, all right, bet we gonna do the job. We gonna get the job, or we gonna get the car. All right, cool. After that, they don't plan nothing else. They didn't plan about, oh, what if the car need gas? They didn't plan like, oh, all right, how we gonna handle the cameras at the gas station? They did, like, nothing's getting planned outside of we gonna go and steal the car. Everything else is like, oh shit, we got the car. What now? And that's why they be ending up like this. This man just said, yo, I ain't going this side. I ain't pulling up my car at the gas station. But you the one with the card. I don't have nothing on me. I don't have no bread. I left my phone at the crib. Clearly he didn't leave his phone at the crib. Hope he got a fucking a track phone or some shit. But I ain't leave my phone at the crib. I don't nothing. I need your money, so you need to pull in to get the gas.
I'm about to get out this bitch, gang. Where they go? You want me pulling this gas station?
And the dude who is driving this car, he is not a criminal. He not even, like, the man in that car should be driving this car. He the one doing all the talking. This man like, bro, I'm trying to get up. I like this look crazy, bro. I feel crazy. I'm nervous. This, that, and the third.
All right, go. Where the fuck they go? This shit hot.
Them boys going to jail, bro. Them boys going to jail. Look how long it's taking them to get in the gas station. Them boys going to jail.
Yeah, dog.
He trying to calm them down, bro. Y'all hot.
Hot, bro.
Trust. Who is they? In a
Bro, hurry the fuck up, bro. Pump 4. I'm about to go in there.
Look, they moving too crazy. They moving too crazy. I'm actually very intrigued because I never got this type of camera angle. We in the mind of a criminal right now, y'all boys. We in the mind of a criminal. We actually watching crimes take place. Stolen vehicle, GTA. Alright, well, we need to move a little faster than this. A little faster than this, too.
You hear me? Everybody looking at me and shit, pointing at the car and shit, bro. You hear me? I'm about to get the fuck on. I don't give a fuck. As soon as I get... Yeah, I ain't got enough gas, though. I'm gonna have to stop on the west side, bro.
Bro, you're at the gas station right now. Get all the gas you can. Clearly, like, you feel me? Like, you're already there. You might as well just you might as well fill up. That man don't care. That man doesn't care.
I got it on. Now I'm gone. This Plymouth? Damn. I was supposed to make it. Huh? Left. I'm about to take off, though. I'm about to do some hot shit.
You got a track for sure. I hear that whine.
Huh? I don't give a fuck. I'm on red key. I got a quarter of a tank.
A quarter of a tank of gas. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Come on, bro. This is comedy, bro.
I don't know.
Y'all just gotta listen to these dudes, bro. You only got a seatbelt on. Hold on, I can't quite hear the other dude. Give me a second.
I'm about to do some more hot shit.
Why would you bring more attention to you, bro? Okay, why are you trying to bring attention? I know you're scared, bro, but bringing attention don't seem like the best option.
I'm gone, huh? I'm gonna be on camera, though, at that gas station. I ain't tripping.
You ain't tripping, huh?
Hell no.
Quarter tank of gas, flushing it down the highway.
Huh?
I don't know why he didn't fill up. Oh, he probably don't
What'd you
got the
say?
bread, honestly. If he's still in cars, I doubt you have the bread to fill up your car, honestly. Probably put like $10 in that, bro. I know it probably cost him like 80 to fill up. See, and that's the thing, like, you know.
I ain't tripping, huh?
It's just so many L's in this video. Y'all comment right now. What was the biggest L so far? Getting off the highway, another L.
This ain't no regular track. This bitch got something done. All the lights keep blinking on. This bitch got an alarm on it, gang. Hell yeah, blue light. This bitch might got a tracker. You hear me? Why these lights going on and off like this?
Bro, he is shook, bro. That car probably like got like, I ain't gonna lie. There's a possibility. There's a possibility that this TrackHawk has the automatic what's that shit called? the automatic shit where like your shit turn on and off between high beams and not high beams. So it's a possibility that's
My
what's
tail
going
lights
on.
on? Where you at?
Oh, you got police radar.
You hear that? What?
I think that's the police radar, not a scanner, bud. Mind you, it is 7:30 at night. It's not even like super late. Boy stole a car while people eating dinner and stuff. You know what I'm saying? They still awake. They probably watching TV right now.
Gotta go to States, bro.
Bruh. Chat. Not even chat. YouTube. YouTube. He seen the state trooper. That is the state trooper right here. 7:30 at night. He just on his post. He probably just on his post. Let's see what happens.
Oh no. What'd you say?
Look like state trooper don't care.
I'm glad these lights ain't do that bullshit.
Oh, he just started flushing it randomly.
I think they coming. They coming, bro.
Uh-oh.
They coming.
Uh-oh. Did he take off too fast? Which I think that was too premature. Ooh, it's hella traffic now. You only got a quarter tank to be flushing it. It might be cooked. Oop. Oop. Oh. Oh. Oh, he flushing it, but I don't know. I don't hear no cop cars. I don't see none. Man, he ain't really going that fast. Nah, he not opening it all the way up.
Yo. Where the fuck you at?
He not with you no more, bro. You got caught. He didn't got. You got caught. I don't hear him no more. Wrong lane.
This bitch cut off, gang. You hear me? This bitch cut off.
The car cut off? Oh! Can't book it. I guess that's it. I don't know what happened there. That was very anticlimactic. That was more like I thought the police were gonna get him. They ended up not getting him. However, the car just had all the correct stuff on it. Had the tracker, had the kill switch, didn't work right away. Had the what else had on there? The thing for the police, like the radar. So they had a lot of cool things on there. Shout out to whoever the TrackHawk owner is. As far as the criminals, bro, them gotta be some dumb young niggas, bro. Cause these niggas, like, bro, I don't know what to say about them. If it were me in that situation, I decide to go take me a TrackHawk. I don't know. I feel like that's one of the worst cars to take because they're already just a hot car regardless. It doesn't matter if it's stolen or not. It's just a hot car to have. But these got to be the dumbest criminals we ever seen on the internet, bro. Somebody like it up for them being the dumbest criminals, bro. I don't know what to say about them. However, bro, if you enjoyed the video, like it, and then you probably haven't seen a video where the criminals take the police car and take them on a chase. So if you want to see that, click the screen right now.